I'm Andrew Denny with Textures Flooring. Today we're going to show you how to remove a scorch mark or a cigarette burn out of your vinyl floor covering. To demonstrate, I have Michael Machem with Machem Floor Covering Specialists. The first thing you'll do in this is identify a pattern match. Sometimes you will be able to do this from using a scrap piece of vinyl. It's always a good idea to have attic stock or leftovers when you do any project. But the most important thing is to get a pattern that'll match up with the floor. When you take the pattern, cut approximately 1 to 2 inches in excess off of it so that you can really match the pattern well. Sometimes you may need to remove a pattern from under a counter or maybe a pantry closet. It's very important to line the pattern up and then to tape the pattern off so that it stays secure and steady as you are cutting. You will also need a straight edge for this project. Once your replacement cut is taped securely, use your straight edge to line up the cut. Remember, you are doing a double cut here, so what you cut on the surface, you are also cutting underneath. Precision is key. Applying firm pressure with your blade, cut through both levels of vinyl. Now that your cutting is complete, you may remove the tape and pull off the excess. You have a pattern that is cut out. Now you will remove the old piece of vinyl. Find a good corner and be careful not to damage any of the surrounding pattern. The vinyl has come up in 2 different pieces, so you will now need to make sure you remove the vinyl down to the subfloor. This is very critical. You'll need a putty knife or a scraper to remove excess adhesive and the backing of the vinyl. Take your time here. Make sure the edges are very clean because that's where the pattern will match up. Take extra time to ensure that you have removed all debris from the area you are replacing. Remember that any debris not removed will telegraph through the new vinyl. This is a critical step in this replacement process. Now insert the pattern or the cutout into the vinyl flooring and test for a good fit. Now you apply adhesive using a trowel. Make sure you are using the correct notch trowel as per the adhesive instructions on the pail. A vinyl flooring adhesive is what you will use. The next step is to insert the pattern onto the adhesive. Don't worry if excess adhesive comes out, as you will be able to clean that later. Use a roller to ensure a good tight bond. Now wipe off any excess adhesive with a clean rag. It may be necessary to use a cleaning solution to get all of the adhesive up. Now use a dry rag to remove any moisture. Your next step will be to seal the seams using a vinyl flooring seam sealer. Remove the excess seam sealer. Keep traffic off of this area. and your task is complete. A beautiful replacement. I'm Andrew Denny with Textures Flooring. For more information on this subject and more, please visit www.texturesflooring.com. Thank you, as always, to Michael Macham with Macham's Floor Covering Specialists.